Hello and welcome. In this video, I will guide you through the simple steps to log in to ADP Work. Whether you are a new user or just need a quick refresher, by the end of this tutorial, you will be logging in like a pro. First thing first, open your preferred web browser on your device. In my case, I'm using Google Chrome, so let's tap into that. Now, in the address bar, type in ADP Work login and hit the enter. Now you'll be directed to this interface, and let's tap into ADP sign in. Now you'll be directed to this page. It's asking whether I want to use mobile app or not. For now, let's tap not now. Now you're directed to this login page. Here you need to enter your credentials. So first thing first, let's tap our user ID. Let's type our user ID. So right below the user ID, there's an option called remember user ID. So if you want the ADP to remember your ID, you can simply tap in the square box. And if you don't want to, then you can simply leave it like that. And let's tap next. Now you have to type in your password, and right below you can see various options. So if you've forgotten your password, you can simply tap into this button right here. If you're a new user and you haven't used ADP Work till now, then you can tap in this get started button. So for us, since we already have our user ID and password, we can simply tap our user ID and password, and now let's tap into sign in. Once you have entered ID and password, all you have to do now is tap in this blue button that says sign in, and you have access to all the features and functionalities of Work, including managing your account, accessing services, and much more. And there you have it. You're successfully logged in to ADP Work. It's that simple. That concludes our tutorial on how to log into ADP Work. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel Tech Basics for more tutorials and tips. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching and happy working with ADP Work.